Hi there. So I just wanted to share with you my thoughts on the DNA It Is Not Destiny video. The three facts that I found most surprising were that stressors on expectant mothers right around the time that they gave birth were correlated with elevated cortisol levels. This was associated with emotional and cognitive issues in children later on during their lives. That pregnant mothers and young children who live in poor neighborhoods are more likely to be exposed to environmental toxins, which also alter their epigenome. This leads to behavioral and long-term health problems. And then evidence showed that the struggles of working parent stressors could actually modify the epigenome for their young children when enduring the secondhand stress that the children experienced. This also increased the risk for long-term behavioral problems. So how might this information change my nursing practice? Well, I feel like if I were to work in OB or pediatrics, I know that I can help reduce or limit the stressors that an expectant mother or young children are exposed to by educating them. This promotes a healthier life long-term. And then what I think my role in the community is to inform change and what would be an example of that change. So I feel like this is the kind of research that everyday people maybe would find hard to believe and may also not have discovered on their own. So I think that if medical professionals who understand epigenetics and how these changes occur by the modification of the expression of specific genes, so it's our role in community health that we educate expecting mothers and mothers to young children on the exposures of stress and what this actually does to the baby in regards to epigenetics. Maybe we can help reduce long-term health issues and also behavioral problems later on. The epigenome can be modified by its environment. So I was thinking that we need to ensure that the home environment is safe, so meaning free of lead and other toxic chemicals, and also enriching the community and also changes to public policy. So this can help ensure that our daycare facilities, our early childhood education programs, and our schools are enriching with healthy foods and overall supportive, nurturing environment that produces health and wellness in our children. Thank you for listening.